Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about state in a motion in straight line. Today we'll discuss question number 2.5. Here you see the solution. What is given is here and what want to find. You see the question number 2.5. A car along a car moving along state highways with a speed 126 km per hour is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meters. Suppose a car is moving at this state that initial velocity is given, that is it is 126 km per hour and it travels a distance of 200 meter and stops. That means here the final velocity is 0, right? What is the retardation of the car assumed uniform, and how long does it take for the car to stop? How to find? That is a first write what is given. Given is u is equal to 126 km per hour kilometer per hour. You have to change it into meter per second. Therefore 126 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So if we divide 126 by 18, 126 by the term 18, it will be 7. 7 is 56, 12, 126. If we get it 1, this is 7, and 5 7 is 35, 35 meter per second. This is the initial velocity. This is initial velocity. And you want to find final velocity. Here you see it stops at the end point. Therefore, the final velocity will equal to the final velocity v is equal to 0, right? And distance is here. Distance is 200 meter. Distance is equal to 200 meter. Then what will happen, right? Distance means s. S is given as 200 meter. We have three formulas, you know that. One is b equal to e plus 80. Number 2 is b square equal to u square plus 2as, and third equation is s equal to ut plus half a t square is equal to ut plus half a t square. We will apply this formula, is right. Number 2, therefore b square equal to u square plus 2b square is 0. That is 0 square is equal to u square. U is 35. 35 square plus 2 into a into s is 200. So we are getting the value here as 400. A is equal to, it is minus 400. A is equal to 35 square. So a is equal to 35 into 35 by minus 400. We calculate this value. If you calculate the value, this one, that we are getting, let us see what is the acceleration. If we cut it by 5, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, it is 0. Again if we cut it by 5, 5 is 5, 3, 5 6 is 30, and 5 7 is 35. And this is 49 by 16, and the unit is meter per second square, right? 49 by 16 meter per second square. Now if we divide 49 by 16, let us find what is the value. We find the value, that is 49. It is minus actually because it is retardation. So if we divide 49 by 16, 16 3, 16 3 ja 48. Subtract this one 1. This is point 0 0 0 16 7 and 12. It is more. 16 6 16 36 96. Yes, 3.06. It will be 90. We only take this much only, right? So we are getting the expression as minus 3.06 meter per second square. This is the acceleration or retardation. What is the retardation? Therefore, retardation is equal to retardation A is equal to minus 3.06 meter per second square. We got this retardation. Now, if we find what is the time, then we will get in this way. Now, this is number 1. And number 2, we will apply this formula. Now, here you see, I will apply the second question, that is v equal to e plus 80. The second, this will apply. Okay. Let us see what is the value of the second question. The second question is, how long does it take for the car to stop? That means you have to find time. First you write what is given and you have to find the time. You see the given, it is also given that u is given u is equal to 35 meter per second, 35 meter per second. B is also given, B is 0, and acceleration is given, that is minus 3.06 meter per second square, right? So we will apply the formula v equal to e plus a into t. V equal to u plus a into t. What is v? 0. U is 35 plus acceleration plus a is minus 3.06 into time into t. Therefore, we are getting this the value as 3.06 t is equal to 35. So the time t we require is 35 divided by 3.06. If we divide 35 divided by 3.06, we get a value 11.44 second. This is the answer. In this way, you can find all the, there are two answers is this one. The retardation is minus 3.06 meter per second square and time required is 11.44 second. Thank you everybody for watching this video.